the number of assets currently included in the Pilots4U database show that Europe has already significant shared pilot and demo facilities. That was one of the policy recommendations of the formal project. We already have enough of them. The initial investment in such facilities is very high, so why copy-paste them in every country? Would it not be better to further strengthen and invest in existing infrastructures to keep them state-of-the-art, increase their flexibility, and improve interregional access? Industrial questions can sometimes be complex and require the cooperation of several pilots and demo facilities to arrive at an adequate total solution. And that is also something the Pilots4U network wants to encourage. So 2 German Pilots4U members can testify this. So good morning, Gert and Michael. Welcome.
Morning.
Good morning.
Hello. So please, Michael, give us a short introduction of yourself.
My name is Michael Katzberg. I'm Managing Director of EW Biotech. EW Biotech is a family-owned company that recognizes that scaling up and getting a very good biotech process into the market is quite a challenge, not only technically, but also financially and from a risk point of view. So we have a facility that is shared with all and everybody in the world who needs it to scale up and demonstrate their process.
Okay, thank you. And Gert, floor is yours.
Yeah, thank you very much. My name is Gerd Unkelbach. I am Director of the Fraunhofer Center for Chemical and Biotechnological Processes, located at the Leuna chemical site. And as part of the Fraunhofer Gesellschaft, the world's largest organization for applied research, we are looking on R&D questions dedicated to scale up and also solving these issues and optimizing the processes during pre-treatment, during industrial biotechnology, or also during chemical conversion of renewables.
Okay, my first question is to Michael. So 2 Pilots4U facilities collaborating with each other. How did that start, in fact?
It started much earlier because we are located at the same site here in Leuna, and we know each other quite some time and know the equipment. And so we always think about what is best for the customer and putting really those needs into the center. And here the collaboration was the best fit. And so we started collaborating to have a good result very fast and close by.
Okay, and Gert, this collaboration started early in the process, didn't it?
Yeah, it starts very early, also during a kind of R&D phase, and therefore we also stepped in this collaboration because we found out that we had several questions which we have to answer before we do a scale up to the demo scale at the EW facility. And therefore we use our equipment at the CBP because we have all the equipment we need in the existing piloting facilities in different scales, and also we have different know-how looking on the individual questions our partners need.
Okay, and what was the benefit for the client?
Yeah, as I said, they got a de-risking step before we enter the larger scale in the sense of demonstration scale, because then we are talking about a high operational cost and also high risk. And because we are more R&D focused, we have the possibilities to bridge the gap between lab scale and the first piloting step, I would say.
Okay. And why is it a good strategy for pilot facilities to collaborate? What's in it for Europe, Gert?
In Europe, we have different piloting facilities with individual infrastructure. And because we know each other quite well, since a couple of years from now, we can also guideline the partner to the individual process steps, and we can directly select the right equipment. And that's our main focus, that we can solve also R&D questions which arise during the scale up. So with all the piloting opportunities in Europe, which are already existing, our partners get the best value for money.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. And Michael, the work you did was more than combining the equipment of both facilities.
Yeah, it's not a mere combination of equipment. I think the benefit, not only equipment-wise, is also that you gather together scientists, process engineers that are keen to develop processes and seeing projects succeed. And it's a very good objective to see more biotech process in the market that really are exiting the labs and the piloting facilities and really become producers and show that bioeconomy can be a reality.
Yeah, indeed. So Gert, it's also a bit guiding customers through the jungle of possibilities. Am I correct?
Definitely. So as we have several pilot facilities within Europe, and we receive also several requests to the independent pilot facilities, it's better for combining the existing know-how and infrastructure, so that our partners or the partners who needs a scale up, especially in industrial biotech, gets an optimized process and a streamlined scale up.
Okay, that's a nice story. Thank you. And yeah, I wish you a further nice and successful collaboration in the future. Thank you both. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah.